Hello there. Today, we'll show you how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail that will help you grow your audience. Let's get started. Today, we'll dive into the art of crafting captivating YouTube thumbnails using Canva. We'll explore the power of Canva's templates and walk you through the process of creating stunning thumbnails from scratch. Let's get your YouTube channel noticed. First, open Canva and log into your account. Next, select Create a Design and choose the YouTube thumbnail option. To begin creating your thumbnail from scratch, first select the background. Now, upload the images that you want to include in your thumbnail or that represent the type of video you're creating. Now, head to the Edit menu where you'll find a plethora of editing options. For this thumbnail, we'll apply an outline to the uploaded image. After that, add text to your thumbnail. In the Edit Text section, you can give your text an outline as well. Don't forget to include some elements like the Canva logo and emojis. Position all the elements to your liking, and there you have it. Your custom thumbnail design is ready. Additionally, you can make use of Canva's templates and make slight adjustments to have your thumbnail ready to use. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.